hoping this was solar powered, because why would it be so expensive if it was a plug? It feels like just a little plastic light candle that I got at freaking Walmart for $10. You better, Tesla. I don't like this. Thanks for tricking me. I thought this was gonna be solar powered. You know how this would be if it was solar powered? Powered by the sun. Had a little thing on it. Why I didn't think about that before I bought it for $100. I don't know. What the hell, Elon? Why would you sell a glow lantern for $100? I'll plug it in right now and show you. So I plugged it in. Oh, and I guess it has to charge because it doesn't want to turn on. Okay, it's bright. I was still hoping it was solar powered. It's not only those colors. No, it's. Why? This looks pretty bright. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see the lantern. Oh, that's why I thought it was solar powered. I thought it was an actual lantern. I mean, I'm kind of mad. This was $100. I think it was more than that. This looks kind of cool, I guess. If you have money to waste at Tesla. This was my very first practice one. It's kind of coming off. It's good for the bedside, I guess. But I'm gonna take it to the living room, actually. It is. So I found out the lantern charges and then it stays on for hours. Supposedly. It's supposed to last hours. So that better make it worth my money. I guess it is pretty bright. The brightness is pretty good. But I'm going to have to test it once it's charged on how many hours it lasts. Because I don't know yet. That's my final answer. We'll see.